here from RDC Fine Homes. I am back at our net zero renovation. We are in the second week of March, and I thought we'd do a quick tour through to see how the boys are doing. It is absolutely a beautiful day here in Whistler, almost like spring. You can see the sun is out, and of course, given it's still the early part of March, the ski hill in full operation. We have fantastic conditions right now. A lot of snow over the weekend, and looking for additional dump of snow, I think, coming towards the end of next week. So if you're in Whistler and you're skiing, you're lucky. If you're not in Whistler and you're not skiing, well, too bad for you. Anyway, let's go on inside and we'll see how the boys are making out. Work well underway. Demolition, of course, most of it has been completed on the inside. All the interior finishes have been removed, and the boys are getting ready for, I think, Tuesday next week. And the roof sheeting is already off, and the crane will be coming in, and we will be removing the top two floors here in sections and craning them off. Of course, we are trying to divert as much of the waste from this demolition, divert as much of the waste from landfill as we can. So recycling where possible, and then making sure the wood waste goes to the composter and Squamish here. One of the key goals in this project is to reduce the carbon footprint of the build, and one of the great advantages of keeping the bottom floor concrete and the bottom floor framing here is that we will really significantly reduce the embodied carbon in constructing this house, which in the end will really look like a brand new house. Of course, if you've been following along, you'll know that this is targeting as a net zero renovation. It would also meet step 4 of the BC Energy Step Code, and sometime towards next year we will be putting solar panels on the roof to satisfy that net zero renovation qualification. Inside, just a quick look. All the new interior walls are framed. The floor has all been filled in. We, of course, had to redo all our plumbing rough-ins here. And the boys are working away on building the new set of stairs. New flooring over the garage is in place. There's been some great update photos on our various sundry platforms here, so you can follow along a little more day-to-day as we move along. And if you would like to get notification on updated videos on this exciting project, then make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us along on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next update.